Samsung is ready to take the smartphone game to the next level. The Galaxy S25 series is coming, and it's packed with exciting upgrades, sleek designs, and cutting-edge technology. Let's dive into everything you need to know: the features, rumors, and the official release date. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love the latest tech news, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more updates. Today, we're talking about Samsung's Galaxy S25 series. So let's get started. Samsung is expected to launch 3 models in the Galaxy S25 series: the Galaxy S25, the base model with flagship features, the Galaxy S25 Plus for those wanting a bigger screen and battery, and of course, the Galaxy S25 Ultra, the powerhouse with top-tier specs, cameras, and advanced capabilities. But wait, there's more. Some rumors even suggest a Galaxy S25 Slim, a thinner and lighter version, perfect for minimalists. The Galaxy S25 series is rumored to feature a refined design with thinner bezels and even improved screen-to-body ratios. Expect display sizes ranging from 6.2 inches for the S25 to 6.8 inches for the Ultra model, all with dynamic AMOLED 2X panels for stunning visuals and buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rates. And let's talk about build quality. Samsung could introduce even more durable Gorilla Glass and titanium frames to keep the phone lightweight yet robust. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 series will likely feature the latest processors: the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 in the USA and Exynos 2500 in global markets. With up to 12 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage for the Ultra model, these phones will be powerhouses for gaming, multitasking, and content creation. And let's not forget about AI features. Samsung is expected to enhance its One UI 7 software with smarter AI tools for photography, productivity, and real-time translations. Now let's talk cameras, everyone's favorite upgrade. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature a 200MP main sensor, improved periscope zoom lens, and enhanced low-light performance. The base and Plus models will also get major improvements to their triple-camera setups with better stabilization and AI enhancements. Whether you're into photography, vlogging, or just taking the perfect selfie, the S25 series is shaping up to be a camera beast. In terms of battery, the Galaxy S25 series could offer larger batteries, ranging up to 5,000 mAh for the Ultra model. And here's the good part: faster 45-watt wired charging and 25-watt wireless charging are expected, with new battery optimization software to give you longer usage. We're also hearing rumors of new cooling systems, perfect for gamers and power users. Now, the big question: when is the Galaxy S25 launching? Well, according to leaks, Samsung is expected to announce the Galaxy S25 series at their Unpacked event on January 22, 2025, with pre-orders starting the same day. As for the pricing, we expect the Galaxy S25 to start at around $799, the S25 Plus at $999, and the S25 Ultra at $1,299, similar to the Galaxy S24 lineup. So, there you have it. The Samsung Galaxy S25 series is shaping up to be a game-changer for 2025. Which model are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.